Dumaan sa butas ng kalayo mga idol ang Pangasinan Heatwaves para makapasok sa MPBL Northern Division Finals at makaharap ang Abra Weavers matapos nila talunin ang San Juanes sa kanilang do or die Game 3 semifinals. Kaya tara mga idol, ating panoorin ang kanang crucial endgame. Pero bago dyan mga idol, paki-like naman, share at subscribe sa ating channel.
Sure, AC is fouled by Bongga Lanza. Kahit saan point pa yan, it could be costly. But here for San Juan, just carried him over all the way to AC and
well, sinubukan niyang iwasan. He was trying to go to the sa gilid, no? Kaya medyo bumagsak itong si Soberano.
Watching us right now, Eman Calo, former MPBL champions. Binabati din natin Mayor Emerald Bakuli from Luba Abra, from our good friend Coach Ansay, Dan Michael Caneba left.
What a move!
Ganda naman nun. That's Michael Mabulak with a finger roll. Gamboa is open. That's a three. That won't go. Rebound ni Gabo. Ahead to Bulanadi. Ball knocked away. Recovered by Maikes. Foul by Napoles. Action has been non-stop here.
By finish dahil nasa kanang bahagi, no? Yung second defender na si Maikes.
Bindon Leon. Sana malaki yung screen nyo. Medyo malaki naman. iPad yung gamit nila.
Dimension, believing if they can keep this up, they will get this win. Sa depensa, he said they just really have to focus on that. Pero sa opensa, he reminded them that 1 minute...
Pangasinan. So settled that time.
Gabo inside the lane. There's a foul. Nico. Gabo makes the free throw.
You know, I was about to say, obviously in the NBA, who needs bobbleheads?
Well, collegiate star.
Let's not put this on me, since you're the birthday boy today. Good pass. That's a big shot.
Oh, hit the side of the board.
And a poor foul.
Because they are also in penalty.
That's a poor foul. And,
oh naman.
hindi porket birthday mo, absuelto ka.
Kaya nga nananahimik ka.
An important player.
Oh, he's not here.
Yeah.
He's not around in this ballgame.
Arguably, their best big man.
Balik kay Wamar. Orlan for three. No. Soyod with the offensive rebound. That's a foul on Gabo. 2 free throws coming up para kay Raul Soyod and offensive rebounds again.
Bulanadi, yes, boxed out the bigger Soyod, but boxing out is the San Juan.
Yeah, San Juan as well. 2 for 2 for Raul Soyod. Elegant for you. Panganiban, labas kay Gamboa. Gamboa launches the three. Panganiban saves the possession for San Juan. What an effort. That was against Vic Manuel as well.
This could be a basket timeout situation if it's a basket.
Oy, nabitawan ni Raul. Turnover again for San Juan. Gabo to Mabulak. Mabulak will finish. It's a 1-point game.
It's 8 points here in the second half.
Panganiban. There's a switch here. Panganiban attacks. Oh, Nico Panganiban. A strong move. Nico Panganiban.
The post screen, which is the defensive tendency of Pangasinan, and because of that, he blows by
a little bit in the final moment.
I thought there was enough contact.
Yeah, but mas napigilan sana niya yung 3-point play.
Right.
74-7. Gabo drives left. Nandun si Wamar all the way. Maguliano. Labas kay Alin Bulanadi. Bulanadi, there's a switch. He launches the three and he continues to miss. Manuel able to put that one in. 74-73
for Pangasinan. Only their 7th and 8th point and their 7th offensive rebound. What a time to come.
Panganiban loses the handle. They were asking for a foul.
Yung contemporary ko na si Roderick. 9 points, 8 boards for Mike Mabulak again after being scoreless in the first half and only having 4 rebounds. Has certainly made his presence felt. As a turnover leads to a basket. May kasama pang foul. What a game for...
3 minutes remaining. Wamar waits for Raul. 8 lead changes, 5 deadlocks in this ball game. Mostly here in the second half. That's a foul on Alin Bulanadi. Free throw shooting, 14 of 22 for Pangasinan, 13 of 19, and 10 rebounds. Splits his free throws, 2-point game. Heat Waves in the lead.
They're going to go to Vic Manuel on the post, I believe here.
Against Raul Soyud. Mataas yung tanggap ni Vic. Pero si Raul nandun. Manuel trying to beat Soyud off the bounce, and he draws the foul.
The problem was, etong si Soyud, binuksan niya yung depensa, but a good read. 18 points already for Vic Manuel. 19 right here.
Hindi nabigay kay Raul Soyud. Here's Nico. He'll try to test the defense of Mabulak. Off-balance shot. That doesn't work. Mabulak. Milking a bit of, milking some clock here. Minute and a half remaining. Maguliano to Mabulak. 6-point lead for Pangasinan. Mike Mabulak coming alive in the nakabalik.
Halos 10 segundo siya.
Yeah, what a
Sa
pass.
baseline. That's because
Wamar not involved again, but Gamboa cuts the deficit to 4, 81 to 77.
at that time the empty corner happened on the right side of the floor, and you're right, Wamar didn't even touch the basketball that time. San Juan able to score with that short pop by Gamboa.
Bulanadi, Colliar sticking close to him. There's a pick. Alin with a jumper, short. Bulanadi, the loose ball ends up with Wamar. Here's Gamboa. Finds Soberano. Nandun si Gabo. Wamar arrives for the three. Good! San Juan pulls to within one after the three from Orlan Wamar.
Right, he didn't plan to go down, thought that something would happen, but Soberano didn't like what he saw. And as soon as he pulled it back, Orlan Wamar sprinted to the open spot. Again, good recognition by Gamboa.
Okay, and Wamar, 14 on the shot clock.
With this possession right here with 14, assuming there's no offensive rebound, babalik pa ang bola sa Pangasinan. What's important for San Juan is that even if Pangasinan makes a basket, importante hindi 3 points.
Manuel, the turnaround shot! He gets the bounce. And Pangasinan will also get the ball back.
And I like what Coach Jerson did. Sometimes you do not have to overthink things. You just gotta go to your main man. What I like about the adjustment is that they flipped it to the right side of the floor. Halos lahat ng posting niya sa fourth quarter sa kaliwang bahagi. All screens, because the last thing, there's the zoom action. The last thing you want to give up here is a three-pointer.
Marquez, the fake, the three, no. Colliar, Gamboa will shoot. Short rebound, Maguliano. A big
In the MPBL usually gusto
Maguliano trying to seal the deal here at the line. No good. A chance for San Juan. Colliar stops, finds Wamar. Two players ganging up on Orlan. Gamboa, a three.